Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I use aloe vera as a pre-poo, which is a shampoo before actually shampooing your hair. It can be also used as a detangler, and in this case, that's what I'm going to use it as. And this helps stimulate hair growth. As you can see, the first thing I want to do is cut off the sides, and I've already washed it. So the first thing when you buy aloe vera, you want to make sure you wash it to clean it, and then you want to cut off the sides. And then now I'm gonna cut it into sections. Okay, now that I'm done cutting in sections, I'm gonna slice it in half. Okay guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for upcoming videos on hair tutorials, nail tutorials, vlogs, and so much more. So if you want to be notified when I post my video, hit that bell and hit the thumbs up. Thanks in advance. So the items that you need to do this, you need a bowl, you need a spoon, a knife. You can use a strainer, and of course you need the aloe vera. And you can use paper towels just to have us along the side for like any cleanup or whatever. But yeah, so right here you're gonna take the spoon and you're gonna scoop out all the stuff right there, the aloe vera. If you're still here watching my video, comment down below, how do you use aloe vera, or how have you heard that you can use aloe vera? I know it's good for like skincare, it's good for hair growth, and I've known people to use it for both. So what are your thoughts or opinions about the aloe vera? I know for myself, I used it on my daughter as a pre-poo, as a detangler for her hair, but I strain it. And if you would like to see me do a video of my daughter wash day, please comment down below, and I will do a video on her hair wash day. And but yeah, aloe vera is very good for hair growth. So once you're done with getting all the aloe vera spooned out, now you're gonna take it and you're gonna squeeze it. And doing this, you're squeezing all the juices out, as much juice as you can. You take and you squeeze it and squeeze it. And one thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you buy a juicy aloe vera. Just feel it and feel how juicy it is, because it's going to help you in the end. So I'm just going to squeeze it. to get as much juice as I can out. I didn't record this part as much, but I'm gonna apply it to my hair. After I apply it, I'm gonna comb it through, put a cap on and let it sit for 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna rinse it and shampoo it. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.